Do you want to be part of the vlog? I can edit you out.
No, I don't.
Who's gonna find me? College admission system?
Imagine it. Oh, this song. The one you stole. Or sorry, the one you stole.
What do you mean? They stole from me.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I misspoke. Flip my words. You know me. Ema, since we don't have any classes this year together, we have to promise to still talk to each other.
Oh my god, that sounded so like
No!
it's coquette.
Kids. I love that aesthetic. It's so
I
pretty.
know. Thank you.
There's some there too.
It's
You
like
got it, gal.
take on skirt. I should make that my new song. It's on my hair or
It's like all over your hair. Very elegant.
I know. It's so like soft girl
Yeah, like,
picnic vibe.
I'm
I
perky,
got-
I got messy.
I got cake on my skirt. Oh my god.
You sound like the Ariana Grande.
That's what I'm trying to do. Honestly, I love that laugh. I don't find how people find it annoying. Like, I love it. It's
Yeah.
like comedic.
Yeah, it's like, yeah. What are you doing?
It looked cool when I edited it.
Oh, you were showing it to the thing. The thing.
To my basket. This is one of their best songs.
Like, there are songs that I get tired of, but this one, it's never every time.
Did I show you like my nails? I tried to do like a heart design at the base, but I couldn't get it like straight.
It's cute. It's like, I like it.
I
You
tried.
can tell they're hard. And
Yeah.
it's like a impediment.
What? Don't give up. You could have fallen in love with me. No, it's coquette.
Oh, sorry. It's coquette.
Oops.
It's coquette.
It's fine if you spill something. It's coquette.
It's quirky coquette.
Yeah.
I love this part.
Me too.
It was so cool watching him play the guitar during that part. He was getting into
Did you?
like,
Did you feel an out of body experience?
I
Like you
did.
almost felt like everything was collapsing onto you.
I was like, weird. I can't believe I'm here right now. Like, especially when they were playing the opening song, I was like, stop it right now. I'm actually dead.
Like I'm watching this from my grave. Like this is being played at my funeral.
Right. Like, they're playing all the things that I wish I experienced in my life. This is one of them. Also, I was like standing right next to like the sound booth, you know? And so he
Did you feel the bass?
Well,
Did you-
I don't know if the sound was coming from there, but like the the lyrics of every song and the set list of the entire concert. I didn't look at the set list because I wanted to be surprised. But he would flip the page every time a new song would start. So I would get to see the song before it started so I could know whether to start like filming or not.
Oh.
It was so cool. And then when I saw like a really good song I was excited for, I'd be like, and I'd be like, okay, I'm ready. But it was cool. Have you ever been to a concert before?
I
No?
want to go to one so bad.
Which one do you think you would like to go to?
I talked about so many times. The
Arena?
review, yeah. Or like just any band concert.
Yeah.
Or be a doobie concert. I feel like that'd be fun too.
Yeah. Are there any coming up?
They're all like past. Like gone.
I hate it when they don't come to Columbus. When
Yeah.
they go to like another city in Ohio.
Like Cincinnati.
Right. It's like you're so close. Just make it Columbus.
Yeah, and downtown there's so many stadiums too. Like
Right.
what?
And it's Columbus. It's the capital of Ohio. I go to Cincinnati.
Of
And I
all
get-
places.
Right. Like I get that Cleveland is like the rock and roll capital, but
Yeah.
I don't. Actually, no, it's not. It just has the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. But like, come on.
I brought a bag for trash.
Oh, that's so.
If you feel like you want to clean up anything,
Always thinking, Nina. Always thinking.
you gotta be ahead of the game.
Question number
Where the
one.
game beats ahead
When
of
is
you.
10 Questions Season 2
Sorry.
available? Answer right
So
now.
sorry about that.
Hey everybody, it's Kyle Grant and the
Did you
host
have-
of 10 Questions.
Oh.
And Season
What?
2
I
is
don't know, these
available
cherries look a
now.
little
We have
suspect.
all kinds of new tricks, all kinds
Why
of
is
new
the kid
contestants. You can also
spiking
go back
with
and
so
check
much
out Season
anger?
1, the Matthew McConaughey episode, the Aaron
I got a little
Rodgers
scared that
episode,
he
Paul
was
Rudd, every episode.
He was like, he was
Listen
biking with
and
so much
watch 10
vigor in him.
Questions with Kyle
He was like,
Grant exclusively on Spotify.
this is my song.
Easy.
Thank you. Did you like that serenade? Do you want to cut it in the middle?
That blackberry is so pretty.
I know. You can.
I'm trying to like not.
I hope it doesn't like. Okay. That's fine. Want the blackberries?
No, you can have that. Here, I'll topple mine over too. So we have the same disadvantage. Is it good?
I wish it was colder.
Oh
But
yeah, I know. Everything got so warm.
so fresh and tart.
It's buzzing.
It's bussin'.
Is this mango or peach?
I'm not sure.
The crust is so good.
Tastes like a cheesecake.
Yeah, sometimes it's gross. Like it just tastes like store bought. Nice.
Oh my gosh, that was so amazing. Then she thought that she's going on about something that she said she doesn't get your feeling like I do. I'm in your room until Tuesday night, listening to she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. And she's wear short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Do nothing day, you wake up and find it. What you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walking the streets with you in your worn out jeans, I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Driving on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that could light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You're so fine, I know you better go now. What you doing with a girl like that? She wears short skirt. She's captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming of the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. It seems that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Oh my god, why does this look like a radish? Oh my gosh. Wait, aren't like strawberry leaves like circle-ish? Are they? Oh. You belong with me. 'Cause I know you gotta remember running to my house in the middle of the night. What makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry? I know your favorite songs and you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong. Think I know it's with me. Can't you see that I'm the one who understands you? Been here all along, so why can't you see? You know what I kind of want to do right now?
What?
Go to Bridge Park.
Bridge Park?
Yeah.
Bridge Park is fun. I love Bridge Park so much.
Have you gone by yourself?
Like with friends.
I feel like going to the library and getting like a matcha latte. This sounds like interesting.
I've never had matcha before.
Never? You look like your vibe kind of gives off like someone that like drink it every day.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I ought to try it then.
Or macchiato. My go-to always macchiato frappuccino. I'm scared to get the paint on my skirt. These look like little radishes.
Is that grass?
It's a backdrop. I don't know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was so quick. think we skipped a few steps. Like, I thought we were just going out, having a little fun.
Right.
Now, what are we doing? Making out, huh?
They're at second base.
They just skipped first. They went around the field. I'm gonna do a lavender field, never mind. Pick strawberries. And I got paint on me. Woo. Posted like what we're gonna be doing for the next whole year.
Stop.
He already did. He's so quick with it too. He wasted 0 time.
My stomach would start churning if I saw that. Like,
Exactly
still
like
on
the.
summer break.
I know.
Publish it the day before school at least.
Oh, I love this song.
I need your kiss, kiss